Okay, welcome everybody. As you can see, we're going to be doing another repair video today. I've already got to start ahead of you and started I already pulled the legs. I don't know if y'all remember from my last video, there used to be, in some of them, there's another tab of plastic that goes back here that makes this, well, if I can get that back here, that makes this repair much harder. Evidently on the later models they've removed that tab and it makes it much easier to do this repair. And so I've got to get in there and get the heads out of the hip replacement. Yeah, there they are. Get me another shop towel down here to catch some of the water maybe. Like I say, this is very hot water. It's supposed to make the plastic a little more pliable to make it easier to get these things out. See, they came apart as I was trying to pull them earlier. But like I say, they just slide right out there. And put the new one in, hopefully, without spiking myself. Okay, one side in. This side, and make sure it gets seated all the way around. Use a little more. And then that is the left leg. Whoop. Up in there. Yep. He moves around on me. I'll bring it a little closer for this part, I guess. Actually, I just remembered how to do this, but maybe this will work this time. Nope. Let's see here. Got some string. I had been saving a piece of string just for these things. Evidently, I've gotten rid of it. Okay, I'm going to give this one more go, then see if I can set this up. Up and over. Okay, I think it's going to cooperate with me here. Yeah. Get the hook in here. That won't do it. There's got the old crooked hook here. This get in there, maybe. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Okay, I know what I need. A forceps. That's what I use for this. Crooked ones to pull it out and the straight ones to hold it in place. Okay, so I got that much sticking out, so maybe that's enough to get it. So grab my upper leg back out of the hot bath. Whoop. You out, hopefully as good as the last one did. Yep. Now if you can go in as good as the last one did, we'll be in better shape. Alright. Just like that, new hip joints for old Rio Blast. Fastest draw in the universe, according to Grayskull Wikipedia. And I do have one of these. I've lost his other hip blaster, but he's got he's got those, and his chest pops out with more. And he doesn't have the power punch action either. He just sort of swivels. And he also has the backpack blaster. So locks in and slides up over his head, and he becomes a one-man army. All his getting the cowboy boots to make it hard for him to stand up, plus the added weight of the blasters. Alright, there he goes. Take it out the moving. But he's I say he came along toward, like I say, as the end of this He-Man was going. I'm not even sure why I had him. What is his? This is 1985, so he probably came out in 86 by the time it all, cleared production and everything. Just sort of based on, the cowboy tropes, and I think it says that he liked to make chili to sort of keep up with that whole trope. But there he is. I'll take the backpack off to lay him down so we can look too far. And he's what's that? Fun little toy. I liked him because country boy, so I like the cowboys and stuff. And I thought all the extra weaponry was cool. Plus he had the where his face is supposed to go and all that. So anyway, but that was Rio Blast. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.